All right, box 5. Here we go. Base. All right. I got a feeling on this one. Well, I mean, the insert autos, only a few of those per case usually. Rookie roundup auto, Eli Apple. At least something different. We still need to improve from there, but hey, it's a start. Amari Cooper. I like Apple. I think him and Shepard, Perkins, they got a good crop. Oh boy. Tyler Irvin to 199. Playoff ticket horizontal. Ol' Irvin. Next, Jalen Mills playoff ticket to 99. All right. Once again, nothing crazy, but a couple parallels. The insert auto. Let's keep the whole box weird. Dan Marino legendary. Jalen Ramsey. Jordan Payton. Rookie ticket. Jordan Payton, Rashard Higgins. 249 Zach Ertz playoff ticket. Barry Sanders. To 99 Trevor Siemian championship ticket. That might do decent. Not even a rookie card, but Darian Thompson rookie ticket autograph. Oh, he got a 6 auto. Blake Martinez rookie ticket autograph. Hey, if you're doing a master set, this case would be awesome. DeAndre and Wendell. Derrick Henry is your gridiron with a Paxton Lynch Rookie of the Year Contenders. Langford. CJ Procise. Derek Carr and Amari Cooper. And a base pack. Brandon, there you have it, man.